Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we are going to have a project, student book page 61, workbook page 51. Objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to write a recipe. Go to your student book exercise 1 on page 61. Yes, we have healthy chocolate cake, we have ingredients, we have steps. So it seems to be that we are going to read about a recipe. Now, what I want you to do is to read along with the recording.
Module 5, Project 1. Do you like chocolate? Read a recipe for chocolate cake.
Healthy chocolate cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup of yogurt, 2½ cups of flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of cocoa powder. Steps: first, break the eggs into a large bowl and beat them with a mixer. Second, add the brown sugar. Next, add the butter and the yogurt. Mix very well. Then, add the flour and mix it again. Add the cocoa powder and mix all the ingredients together very well. Next, put some butter in the pan and then put the cake mix into the pan. Put the pan in the oven and bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Finally, when the cake is ready, you can add some jam or fruit on top. Enjoy!
Now go back, read the recipe once again, 1 minute, because I'll ask you some comprehension questions. Yes, number 1. How many eggs do we put in this chocolate cake? We put 3 eggs. 2. How many cups of sugar do we use? We use 2 cups of brown sugar. 3. What is the first step? We break the eggs in a bowl and then beat them with a mixer. 4. How long do we bake the cake for? We must bake it for 25 minutes. 5. Can we put something on top of the cake when it's ready? Yes, we can. We can put some jam or fruit. Look at this recipe. If you want to write a recipe, think of a simple recipe, make a list, think about all the things you need, add sequence words to show the order in which the steps must happen. Look at the writing tip. To write a recipe, think about the steps. Use sequence words to describe the procedure. First, second, next, then, finally. Now here we have first, second, next, then, and finally. Write each step in the order you have to do it. Then use the imperative to write your instructions. For example, break the eggs into a large bowl. Go to your workbook exercise 1 on page 51. Read and write the steps in the correct order. Use first, next, then, and finally. How to make fresh lemonade. Now we have 4 steps. Read them and think which one is the first step. Yes. First, put a bottle of water in the fridge for an hour. 2. Next, in a glass, mix some lemon juice with 2 spoons of sugar. 3. Then add the lemon juice to the bottle of water. And 4. Finally, put the bottle in the fridge and leave it for 2 hours. To end everything, go to exercise 2. Look at the pictures of the recipe below. Complete the ingredients with the missing information, then write the steps of the recipe. We have omelette. Ingredients. Yes, 3 eggs, 1 cup of cheese, some butter, some salt, some pepper. Look at the picture. Now let's write the steps. First, break the eggs into a large bowl and beat them. Second, add the cheese and mix. Next, add some salt and pepper and mix very well. Then, put some butter in the frying pan and melt it. Finally, put the egg mix in the frying pan and cook it very well. 6. Serve the omelette on a plate. Your homework is to think about a simple recipe and write about it. Thank you.